This is a really cool hike from a few months back when I was actually in New Jersey for a bit. Obviously, New Jersey isn't a state really known for its hiking and outdoor stuff, but this trail had a little bit of everything, as you'll see. In case you were wondering, the park I'm at here is called the Ramapo Valley Reservation. Pretty sure it's named after the Ramapo Native American tribe. The trail starts out past a lake and goes through the woods, and this was filmed again a few months ago back in the spring, so that's why a lot of the trees here don't even have leaves yet. As you get higher and higher, you can start to see more of the landscape in the distance and even the lake from before. Now here I was honestly shocked to see a cactus. I mean, living in Arizona, I see them all the time, but I really didn't expect to see them in New Jersey, right in the middle of the woods. But it's called the Eastern Prickly Pear Cactus, and it's the only cactus species native to New Jersey. I continued along the trail, just winding through the woods, making my way to the waterfall that you'll see at the end of it. Until then, I don't really have too much else to say, so I'll shut up for a bit and enjoy some silent hiking. Eventually, the trail led down the mountain/hill or whatever, and I got to this cool little lake. Around here though, the sky started getting cloudy, and there started to be a lot of bugs just everywhere. So I made my way pretty quickly towards the end of the trail and didn't get to take too much footage. That's why this video is a bit shorter. This was actually a really cool waterfall, but unfortunately I didn't spend too much time there because, as you can even see in the video, the bugs were just swarming. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a comment and I'll try to respond. And I got 2 new national parks coming up soon.